In this video, I am going to show you how to use Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI is an amazing AI model which allows users to create AI-based content like videos and images. So first of all, what you will have to do is to open up a web browser of your choice and simply search for Leonardo AI. On the main website, you will see an interface like this. So first of all, you will have to create your account. Only then you will be able to access the Leonardo AI's main interface. So to do that, you have to click on Get Started and you will be redirected to a login page. From there, you very simply have to use your Google account, your Microsoft account, or even your Apple ID if you want to create your account, and then you will be finally redirected to this interface of Leonardo AI. So once you log into your created account, on the left side, you will see the 150 credits that you have received upon creating your account. Every video and image that you will create on this application will consume credits, so keep this in mind. So on this interface, there are tons of things that you can use, like for example, there is a real-time canvas, flow state, video generation, image generation, upscaler, canvas editor, and more. If you scroll down, you will be able to see the community creations. On the left side is your menu bar. On there, you will be able to see AI tools and advanced settings of your Leonardo AI. So first of all, let's start by creating a video on Leonardo AI. So to do that, you have to click on the video option. On this interface, first of all is your prompt box. In your prompt box, you will be entering the prompt that you wish to use to create your AI video. The option to switch to the image generation and the flow state generation is also present over here, so you can easily switch between them. Now on the left side is your options. First of all is the model that you will be using to create your AI video. You should know this that the Google Veo 3 Fast is now also available in the Leonardo AI, which means that you can use sound effects and create them in your AI video. You can use these 5 models to create your AI video on Leonardo AI. Second option is the motion control. This motion control is basically the camera angles that you want to use in your AI video. Like for example, if you click on the bullet time, it will create a camera angle just as it is shown in the sample video. Your video will be created in a slow-mo effect along with this sideways moving camera angle. There are tons of options that you can use in your AI video. Third option is the motion elements. This motion elements is basically the type of video that you want using Leonardo AI. Like for example, you can create a 90s retro anime video, a clay animation, ink flow, or simply moody realism. Next option is the prompt enhancer. The prompt enhancer basically enhances your prompt. I will recommend you to keep this on automatic, as sometimes you already have created a very detailed prompt that you don't wish to extend by using the prompt enhancer. So you should keep this on automatic. Apart from the prompt enhancer, there are these 3 options, that is vibe, lightning, and color theme. You can use these options to very simply select the kind of video that you want to make using Leonardo AI. Next option is the generation mode. In generation mode, you will be able to select the quality that you wish to use in your AI video. Keep this in mind that the full HD option is not yet available on Leonardo AI. Next, you can select the video dimensions and the number of videos that you want to create by using a simple prompt. If you click on the advanced settings, you will see an option that says negative prompt. In negative prompt, you can very simply enter what you do not want to see in your videos. So now, let's write a prompt for our AI video. While writing a prompt, you should always keep in mind 3 things. First is the subject. You should always define your subject and specify its details, because if your subject is not specified enough, the AI model that is creating your video will face complications and may not be able to give you a result that you desire. Secondly is the environmental details, which are very important and crucial for your project. Like for example, if you have not entered a quality environmental detail, then you won't be able to get your required results. Third and the last thing that you should always keep in your mind is the movement of your subject, which is also very important for you to receive your desired video. So now let's write a prompt. So as you guys can see, I have now written a prompt for my AI video. Keep this in mind that as I'm only teaching you guys the basis of Leonardo AI, I have used a very basic and simple prompt, but you can add as much details as you want to be used in your AI video. So in this prompt, as you guys can see, I have specified the subject as a child which is playing in a flower filled park. The flower filled park is the environmental details, and a dog is playing with the child specifies the movement of my subject. So now once you're done with your prompt writing, you very simply have to click on generate. Once you click on generate, you will be consuming 200 of your credits, and right now I only have 150. So to create AI videos on Leonardo AI, you will have to first of all upgrade to the premium version. So to do that, you have to click on upgrade. Once you click on upgrade, you will see all kinds of subscription plans that you can use on Leonardo AI. But keep this in mind that starting from the Artisan Unlimited, only then can you create AI videos on this model. The free version and the apprentice version does not let you create an AI video. So let's go back, and once you have the credits, you very simply have to click on generate and your video will appear right over here. Keep one thing in mind that any kind of video that you will create on Leonardo AI will be public and anyone can view it on your account. So back to the main screen of Leonardo AI, if you will click on the library which is present right below your home section, you will be able to see your history. The history will include all of your created projects, which can be AI videos, AI images, etc. On the Leonardo AI's main interface, if you scroll down and select the video option, you will be able to see all kinds of videos that users have created on Leonardo AI. So for example, let's simply select this one. As you guys can see, this is the final result of the video which was obtained by using this prompt. The prompt includes that the four heroes walking through dense fog towards a black horizon. The detailed prompt is present right over here. If you will click on this arrow, you will be able to go ahead and then view the second kind of video that people have created on Leonardo AI. On this cartoon based video, the prompt that was used is cute cartoon hedgehog smiles joyfully as a vibrant rainbow flies overhead. Let's view another example of what Leonardo AI can create. So in this video, as you guys can see, a detailed prompt was given to the Leonardo AI model. This video contains a futuristic kind of style and is also very cool. One thing that you should keep in mind is that video's results may vary on the model that you're using. Like for example, the Google Veo 3 creates more detailed and hyper-realistic videos. So you should keep this in mind. So everyone, that was pretty much the basis of Leonardo AI. From now, you can very simply explore the Leonardo AI's interface and create whatever you want. Keep this in mind that this AI model's potential is far beyond what you can imagine. So you should upgrade to the premium version and then try to use this AI model to see what can it actually create. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.